Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll start the revision of chapter number 4, word processing with Microsoft. Today we'll discuss the question answers. List your four list your four features of word processing software. Question number 1. The four features of word processing software are creating, opening, saving a text documents, editing text using cut, copy, paste, find and replace, checking for spelling and grammar error, provide a treasure. So, more than the four type of features are given in the book. So, which you want to write, you write or learn this 4 points. Then, what do you understand by paragraph indentation? How does one adjust the indentation of a paragraph? So, while giving the indentation paragraph, first read this. Indentation determines the distance of the paragraph either from left side or the right margin. Yes, while writing the paragraph, we are knowing how many means how much space you have to give space in left margin and right margin. To ident a paragraph, click on the paragraph on the home tab. Paragraph group, click the increase intent button repeatedly to increase the intent, or click the decrease intent button to decrease the indentation. Means after click on that paragraph, and that you will be getting one uh, you will be clicking on the indentation. Indentation means paragraph in which is in the which is on the home tab. There you have to adjust the left and right indentation of paragraph. Then what is the use of find and replace features in Word? While modifying a document, we often realize that we need to locate the occurrence of a word or phrase in a document. To find tool is very the find tool is very useful to do this. Sometimes we use need to replace all the occurrence of the word with another. Replace tool is used to find in such case. So what is the use of find tool? Find tool, suppose you had written two or more paragraph in a Word document, and then if you want to search some word, so you have to click on the home tab. That find icon, find tool is there which word you are finding, that word you write in the text box, and then click on the find. So or that word in both the paragraph or two or three paragraph, all the paragraphs it will find, and it will highlighted the word in your paragraph. Then if you want to replace, suppose you had written one story, then uh, story cast name is Rahul, and uh, instead of Rahul you have to change the Rahul name as Rani. So you have to click on the replace button, it is there in the home tab, and there you have to write the new name in place of old name, and then replace all, you have to click on the replace all button. After that it will replace Rahul as Rani in all the paragraph. Like this both find and replace used. What are the steps to insert an image in Microsoft Word? The steps to insert an image to the step to insert an image in Microsoft Word. Click word art in the insert tab and select a word art style from the word art gallery. Then a text appear on the document. Type the text in the document and click outside the text box. Now clicking the word art box activates the drawing tools format tab on the ribbon. Use the toolbar to apply more effects of the word art. You can change the style, color and outline to the text. Then apply the word art on given text. Select the text, then select the word art command. This how you can insert the image. Then how does one adjust a page orientation, margin and size in Word? One means page margin means the word each page of a document has a default margin, which means that the text matter is placed at a certain distance from the edge of the paper on all sides. Then some steps are there to adjust the page margin. Click the margin in the page layout tab. Select a predefined margin size from the gallery. To customize the margin setting, click customs margin and type values for the margin. This is for the page margin. Then come to the page orientation. The page orientation option is page layout tab. Let us you set the orientation of the page, which means the direction or positioning of the page. The portrait orientation sets the page with the long vertical edge and the shorter horizontal edge. The landscape orientation does the opposite. Like this, it uh, it displays that landscape and um, portrait form. To set the orientation of the page, click the orientation in the page layout tab and then select the portrait or landscape. Then come to the paper size. When printing a document, we need to print a different size. Means different size means we are having A size, A4 size, A3 size, legal. These are the paper size, and which you want to click, which type of you want to print the paper. So you have to select, and then you will getting the paper size as or print out. So next question, what is the use of having table in a word art? We'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.